by then I should be doing fine. I'm feeling heated for no reason, and I'm not trying to start a fight. Yeah, I wish I could know why I'm feeling this way, 'cause I'm losing my head and I'm losing my faith, and I'm gone, so gone. It's not enough for me to just take the time, because I'm losing my friends and I don't know why. I'm gone, so gone. Yeah. What's the point of trying if I make the same mistakes? Probably better if I'm lying, probably better off this way. If you don't go with me, stay away from me, 'cause baby, life would be better if I just didn't drag anybody down. So call me in the morning, 'cause by then I should be doing fine. I'm feeling heated for no reason, and I'm not trying to start a fight. Yeah, I wish I could know why I'm feeling this way, 'cause I'm losing my head and I'm losing my faith, and I'm gone, so gone. It's not enough for me to just take my time, because I'm losing my friends and I don't know why. I'm gone, so gone.
And it makes me happy, then it makes me sad. And I don't know why I always compare myself like that. I'm no icon, but I'm not that bad. Sometimes it's hard to accept where I'm at. Lately I get down on myself all the time, wishing I could change most of the thoughts in my mind. Caring way too much about the people I don't like, watching all the best parts of their life. Now my anxiety is getting the best of me, 'cause I'm starting to believe everything I see.
And it makes me happy, then it makes me sad. And I don't know why I always compare myself like that. I'm no icon, but I'm not that bad. Sometimes it's hard to accept where I'm at.
And I don't need you, but I want you. If you hate me, you're supposed to. I'm that someone you leave all your weight on. If you don't need me, why you call me in the night when you're so lonely? Lay it on me, so baby come on. Tonight just let me be your someone. Be your someone. Be your someone. Maybe I'm a little lazy, maybe you're a little crazy lately, but I don't change things. Ooh, be your someone. And I don't need you, but I want you. If you hate me, you're supposed to. I'm that someone you leave all your weight on. If you don't need me, why you call me in the night when you're so lonely? Lay it on me, so baby come on. Tonight just let me be your someone. Be your someone. Be your someone. Be your someone. Getting married after 30 is still beautiful. Starting a family after 35 years is still possible. And buying your first house after 40 is still a boss-ass move. Don't let people rush you with their timelines. Just move as you just move as you turning gray after 26 looks pretty good on you. Taking a year to go and travel the world. Could be when you're 42, still in love with your soulmate at 80, drinking your coffee and going on dates. There's no rushing, no timelines. Just move as you, just move as you, just move as you. Move as you. When you're 16, full of dreams, they'll tell you how it should be. Just go on and make your own life. Don't let people rush you with their timelines. Just move as you. Move as you, just move as you, just move as you, just move as you.
$5 and champagne for the trouble. It's a t-shirt in the backseat of your car. Head down just like your father taught you. Stick around when the walls start to fall. Good God, has anybody noticed you sat at the table and you listened to her scream? I know we've had a few too many. I'm not sure what to believe. Beauty queens and rock and rollers, crystal glasses, Coca-Cola. Nice to meet ya, nice to know ya. Better have listened to all that they told ya. They took notes and put you on a pedestal. I'm Simon, I'm on my knees. Why are you so quiet?